Hey, welcome back to my channel. MOOG 513188 Wheel Bearing and Hub Assembly. Backed by superior materials and rigorous testing, MOOG hub assemblies deliver reliable performance you can count on. MOOG problem-solving innovations ensure fast, hassle-free installation. Reliable performance, precise roll-form design ensures consistent and optimal factory-installed preload to minimize excessive noise and wear. Extended service life application-specific advanced raceway design reduces stress, rotation, and heat on components. Keeps water and dirt out. Quad lip seal design inhibits damage by keeping moisture and other contaminants out. Easy to install, engineered and designed for fast, hassle-free installation. Corrosion protection coated wheel studs resist corrosion and rust for easier removal and proper torquing. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.